Alright, so this is the last example of how to solve these formulas, these problems. So what if you see a problem like this? A, B, C. Okay? And then from point A to B, let's just say it is 5. B to C is 2x. And then the whole thing is 5x minus 15. Always start off by writing down what you know. A to B, do we know what it is? Yeah. A to B is 5. Okay, do we know what B to C is? Yeah. It's 2x. We know what it is. 2x. Okay? Do we know what the whole thing is? Yeah. I'm going to draw it in pink so you guys know what it is. From A to C, yeah, it's 5x minus 15. Okay? So, always, what is it going to be? The two babies equals the mom. The whole thing. That's how you set up the formula. What are the two babies? 5 and 2x. And it's plus 2x equals, what is the mom? What is the big one? It's AC, which is 5x minus 15. So that is the very first step you do, is knowing that it's the two babies versus the mom. That's how you set up the formula. That would be step 1. Okay? I'm just going to copy this and go to the second page. Okay. Okay. So now, step 2 is trying to get x by itself. That's what we're trying to do, right? So, ask ourselves, which one is the bigger x, the 2 or the 5? The 5, obviously. So we're going to move this on the other side. This is a plus, so the opposite of a plus would be a minus 2x, because we wanted to cancel out. So 2x minus 2x is a 0. Everything we do on one side, we got to do on the other. So we said minus 2x over here. We got to say minus 2x over here. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. The rest falls down. The minus 15 falls down. The 5 falls down. And then all we're going to do is rewrite it. So let's erase this for more space. And so it's 5 equals 3x minus 15. This is this. Okay? So step 3 is moving this over here. So look at the sign, it's a negative. So the opposite of a minus would be a plus 15. So negative 15, if you owe someone $15 and you give someone $15, how much would you owe them? 0. Okay, but remember, whatever you do on one side of the equal, you've got to do on the other. So you said plus 15 over here, you got to say plus 15 over here. 5 plus 15 is 20. There's nothing under the 3x, so it falls. So let's rewrite it on the next page. 20 equals 3x. So step 4. Okay? What's the opposite of times, guys? You should know it is divided by. And what are we dividing by? What do we want to try to get on the other side of the equal? The 3, because we want x to be by itself. So 3 divided by 3 cancels out. Whatever we do on one side, we got to do on the other. So we said divided by 3 on this side, we got to divide it by 3 on the other. What's 20 divided by 3? Looking it up on the calculator. Okay, 20 divided by 3, it's going to be 6.6666. So you can just say 6.6. 6.6. And is x by itself? It sure is. The 3 is no longer next to it. And x is 6.6.